Hello, my name is Judith Desbonne, and I'm a Human Givens psychotherapist and supervisor, and also a member of the Counselling Directory. I'm the director and founder of Human Wellbeing Limited, and I've been in private practice for 25 years. The Human Givens approach stems from the fact that as individuals, we all come into the world with a set of emotional needs that need to be met and balanced. We have 9 emotional needs, which include things like a need for being in control, a sense of autonomy, also being connected to other people, so part of a community, and believing in something greater than ourselves, that kind of thing. We also have a set of innate resources that we come into the world with to get those needs met. So they include things like having an imagination, being able to think clearly, having a rational mind. The difficulties can occur when we either have unmet emotional needs or we misuse our resources. So for example, somebody that might be misusing imagination as one of their resources is more likely to have difficulties with anxiety or panic attacks. As a Human Givens therapist, what we would be doing would be starting to look at what emotional needs may be unmet, how we can work with you to actually perhaps use those resources, the things that you can do well, or things you may even have stopped doing that you used to enjoy doing, to start to get those needs met, to restore the difficulties that you're having with your mental health, to bring that back to a place you'd like to be. In addition to this, we'll be actually setting some goals with you for therapy as what you'd like to actually achieve from coming to see us. As Human Givens therapists, we are all trained in the rewind technique for treating trauma. With that technique, there's no need for you to have to talk through the details of the traumatic event unless you wanted to, but there's no need for that, because what we would do is we use imagination and some guided imagery. So it's a technique that incorporates that, whereby we can work through traumatic events without having, as a therapist, to even know the details of it in the same way that you might not want to be, or maybe ready to talk about those difficulties, but we can still help you with them. So if you'd like to find a Human Givens therapist, search for Human Givens on the Counselling Directory, or you can look on the hgi.org.uk website under Find a Therapist, where you can find myself or other Human Givens trained therapists. Thank you for listening.